Hi, I'm Calvin. I'm going to cook Filipino-style carbonara. Here are the ingredients. For the pasta, I have fusilli. For the sauce, here's some bacon bits, half a white onion, pre-cooked chicken, fillet, ham, mushrooms. Preparation time. I'll peel the skin off of this onion. I'll slice the ends off. Then I'll peel the skin off. Then slice into strips. To slice, hold the knife firmly with your dominant hand. Make sure your thumb and fingers are close to the neck of the knife for better control. Hold the food firmly with your other hand. Tuck your fingers in like claws. Slice. For the ham, you need to dice it. First, slice into strips. Then, turn the food and slice again. The ham is now diced. To grate the cheese, I'm using a cheese grater. Press the cheese on the sharp perforated side of the grater. Press and rub the cheese carefully. Cooking time, let's boil the pasta. Get a pot filled halfway with water. Turn on the heat to high. Wait for the water to boil. Carefully pour in the pasta in the boiling water. I'm using a slotted spoon to slowly drop the fusilli in the pot. Wait for the pasta to cook. Pasta is ready. Strain them out with a strainer and place them on a serving dish. Carefully ladle the hot carbonara sauce over the pasta. Garnish with cheese, green onions, and bacon bits. Ta-da! My favorite Filipino-style carbonara. Yummy! Thanks for watching!